Do not be afraid. I am the cure.
Tommy ran screaming into his father's bedroom when he heard the first wave of thunderous explosions outside. He leapt onto the bed and shook his father awake. "Daddy! Daddy! Someone's shooting at the house!" Tommy started to cry. "I'm scared, Dad." Tommy's father placed a hand on his son's shoulder and led him to the window. He opened the curtain, revealing the pitch-black night. "Look over there, son." Tommy's father pointed out to the left. Out in the distance, a flurry of dazzling purple lights were exploding in the night sky, taking their place between the stars before fading into nothingness. "They're just fireworks." Tommy gripped his father's hand tighter as the loud booms continued. "Why are they shooting off fireworks now, Dad?" "The color of the fireworks means a lot of things, Tommy. Purple is used by the police. They use it to tell the other officers they've located a murderer." Tommy was awestruck as the purple bursts grew louder, bigger, and closer. "I wish Mommy could have been here to see this," Tommy whispered. "Do you think she can see the fireworks from where she is now?" Tommy's father said nothing. Suddenly, there was movement in the streets. Tommy noticed a group of shadows running around in the bushes on the other end of the street, crouching down in the shrubbery and hiding behind nearby trees. Tommy's heart started to beat faster. He wanted to say something, but a dark instinct kept his mouth shut. As the purple light shined through the glass, Tommy could see a steady stream of tears running down his father's face. "Tommy," his father said, "step away from the window." Tommy panicked. What's happening?" He took a step back. His heart stopped as a red dot appeared on his father's neck. "Tommy, close your eyes." Another red dot appeared on his chest. His father was trembling. "Daddy?" 3 more dots appeared on his father's forehead. "Close your eyes now," his father yelled. Tommy did as he was told. For a second, everything in the world was still. The thunder outside stopped. The sharp cracks ceased. Silence overtook the house. In that fleeting moment, Tommy thought everything would be okay. Then before all hell broke loose, his father spoke one last time. "No matter what happens, Tommy, I need you to remember one thing. They're just fireworks."